a powerful collaboration that bridges academic excellence with clinical mastery. Malwanchal University, a UGC-recognized NAAC-accredited institution, now proudly collaborates with Physioneeds Academy to launch a premier program. Introducing the Post Graduate Diploma in Orthopaedic Manual Therapy, a globally aligned 6-month advanced learning journey designed for physiotherapists and rehab professionals. The program is UGC recognized, OCS aligned, and 100% online, so you can learn from anywhere, anytime. Learn under the expert guidance of Dr. Krishna and Sarma, Vice Chancellor of St. Louis University, Cameroon, and Dr. Chakshu Bansal, PhD from America and global clinical educator. This program covers 12 dynamic modules, from applied musculoskeletal anatomy to chiropractor adjustment, principle of manual therapy including neurodynamic manual therapy and functional manual therapy like KKMT. You'll experience interactive e-learning, virtual clinics and demonstration videos, and real-time mentorship, all designed to make your practice ready to an international level. Plus, receive a free welcome kit worth Rs 10,000 and UGC certified diploma certificate delivered to your doorstep. Don't miss this opportunity. Become an international level orthopedic manual therapist today. Enroll now at Physioneeds Academy. Call or WhatsApp on given numbers and register yourself today.